Charles Phillips with McKeag Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today we're going to take a look at the 2019 Silverado, brand new redesigned truck for the 2019 year model. One of the nice features I'm going to show you is the remote lowering tailgate, which is really nice if you have your hands full while you're working on a job or just doing your weekend honeydews. So real simple, on the key fob, you've actually got a button here. It looks like the truck with the tailgate lowering, and you see ×2. So what you're going to do is simply hit that button twice, and it lowers the tailgate there for you. So really easy to do that, guys. So like I say, if you have your hands full, or if you're just kind of, not really in the mood to lower the tailgate yourself, you can simply do it right there from the key fob. And just to raise it, simply raise it up with your hand, and it's locked back into place. Not on this particular model, it is available on the High Country model, and to do that you can press and hold the key fob once for a long press, or you can just simply kind of nudge it up with your knee, and it feels that you're trying to lift it back up, and it'll do it by itself from there. Actually a button right here, no more handle, that kind of breaks loose after a certain time. You press the button there, and it lowers for you right there. So there it is, guys, the locking tailgate, or I'm sorry, the remote lowering tailgate on the 2019 Silverado.